Image Dynamics has been producing some of the best domestically manufactured subwoofers for the last 3 decades. That means they put them together by hand here in the US of America. We are all familiar with the IDQ subs, which were developed to provide incredible dynamic impact with extremely low frequency extension and remain incredibly detailed. But what about those of us who want all of those SQ qualities but want a thump when the jam comes on? The IDMAX subwoofers solve that problem and represent the average American. Big, loud, and heavy. The shipping weight of the 15-inch behemoth comes in at 50 pounds and turns 1200 watts of input power into insane bass with 45 millimeters of X-Max. The 12-inch and 10-inch both can handle 1000 watts max with an X-Max of 39 millimeters. All three are available in either dual 2-ohm or dual 4-ohm impedances, depending on your wiring scheme and capabilities of your amplifier. You know how everyone is all green and eco these days? Well, Image Dynamics has you covered there too. The IDMAX subwoofers are the only green subwoofers on the market today. By green, we mean you can rebuild and recone your woofers easily and without glue. The entire process can be done in about 10 minutes with only 16 screws and alignment shims that come with their recone kits. I doubt that this was done with the environment in mind, but they did make it easy. The IDMAX subwoofers were engineered with the perfect blend of power and grace and are able to reproduce the subtlest of details at even the lowest of frequencies while withstanding extremely high output levels for total performance that is simply unique. These are truly some of the most versatile subs you can buy. They do everything so well. Sound quality is among the top in their price range. Output is great. The lows are no issue with their FS resonant frequency below 30 Hz. They perform great in virtually everything, ported, sealed, and infinite baffle. What exactly is the subwoofer tech that makes the IDMAXs so powerful? The high excursion design allows acoustically linear bass output at all rated power levels. Their parabolic centropene surround ensures cone linearity, control, and incredible excursion. The poly mica cone provides a strong, lightweight, distortion-free bass reproduction while maintaining all the musical nuances. Its Nomex spider allows consistent control throughout the piston range and life of the woofer. An American-made flat-wound extended voice coil gives their woofers higher magnetic flux, which is strength, and more voice coil traction in the magnetic gap with over 1.813 inches of linear travel. Be sure to shop for all of your subwoofers and the rest of your car audio and car video gear with us at qualitymobilevideo.com. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.